All right, so I'm looking at page 172, number 10. So it says the table shows interest owed for a home improvement loan based on how long it takes to pay off the loan. How much more interest is owed on $900 for 9 months than 6 months? So first of all, we got to figure out how much interest is going to be owed on 9 months and owed for 6 months. So we're using our equation I equals P times R times time. So our principal is this 900. Our 9 months is our first time. And then if we look at our table down here where it says 9 months, we have an interest rate of 2.9%. So that is our rate. So we don't know the interest, but the principal is 900 times, we need to change 2.9% into a decimal, so I'm going to go ahead and move it 2 places, and I get 0.029. And then I take it times our time. Now our time is 9 months, and our time always has to be represented in years to use our equation. So we have 9 out of 12 months. When we type this in our calculator, we get $19.58 because we had to round up. Okay, so that was the first part. The second part we have to figure out for 6 months. So again, I'm still going to use I equals P times R times T. My principal is still 900. My rate this time, if I look over here at 6 months, it is 2.4%, so I have to move it 2 places, and I get 0.024. And then I take it times my time, and I have 6 out of the 12 months. Okay, so if I type this in my calculator, I get $10.80. So my question was, how much more interest is owed on $900 for 9 months than 6 months? So to figure out how much more I'm going to have to pay, I need to subtract the 2 that I found. So my interest for 9 months was $19.58. Subtract my 6 months, which was $10.80. So my final answer is going to be $8.78 because that is how much more I would pay for 9 months than 6 months. Okay, part B says, does this interest rate increase at a constant rate? So if I'm looking at the amount of time, each of these increase 3 months. Well, 6 to 9 is 3, 9 to 12 is 3, but then this one would be 6 months. My rate from 2.4 to 2.9, to figure out the difference, I would take 2.9 minus 2.4, and the difference between the two ends up being 0.5%. And then if I go from 9 months to 12 months, I figure out the difference, which would be 3.0 minus 2.9, and I get 0.1%. So I can already stop there because the time is the same. I'm increasing 3 months and I'm increasing 3 months, but my rate for 3 months is not the same. Therefore, there is not a constant rate increase. because constant means the same.